a look at the market. Now yesterday, if you looked at the daily video, I said if the market breaks this point, you can go short on the dollar Canadian. So you can see the market broke that level and just kept going down and down, which is good. If you've been following the daily videos there, I think they're very, very helpful for you. Yesterday we had a look at that. This is the 1 hour chart, as you can see. The market is now coming towards that target, so you can follow that through. Let's take a look at the dollar yen. Dollar yen, we had this red line, as you can see, market hit there, pulled back. Now what to do with dollar yen? Well, let's see what we can do. Yeah, this is a double bottom area. This is also a double bottom area. So there are support levels from here to here. All right, so we're gonna have to see what we can do here. Okay, dollar yen, I think, will be in a buy mode there. And yeah, dollar yen definitely a buy mode around where it's at actually at the moment, as you can see. So the market's turning nicely here to go up. So this is not a bad area as well. And slightly lower, it's got 99 level 2. So either around here, a U-turn, or here, I think they're both worth taking a look at. Dollar franc. Yesterday I did say also if it breaks below this level, you can go short. If it breaks above that level, you can go long. The market chose to break down, and now it's coming to that target all the way down here. Now with the dollar franc, what to do for a franc trader? This is going to be a target area here. What to do is, once the market comes down to around here, you can decide to go long again. We'll see how the market goes. This is a support level, so the market will have a buy reaction here as well, and we'll have possibly a buy reaction here as well. We'll see how that goes. Pound dollar, we'll be looking to sell that off around here, and that's quite logical too. It's where the market sold off before, so that's a logical area for a sell-off on the pound dollar. Euro dollar daily, as you can see, it's just broke down and then went up. It's not following that breakout at all. The situation here is this is going to be your first resistance here, and that's going to be your first 1.1240. It's going to be your first sell zone there. Okay. There we go. So that's going to be the first sell zone, 1240 for the euro dollar, and then beyond that it might come down even further here. Okay, so it'll be interesting to see how this works out actually. This is now going to be our triangle, and as you can see we have a descending triangle, and this is like the middle of that triangle, so we'll see how that eventuates. Let's take a look at the dollar Canadian. We already did that. Aussie dollar, there we go, that's the sell level. We've been talking about that as well. I was saying that this would probably go up to here, and it's coming down towards, well, going up towards that actually right now. So what we have to do is probably just get rid of this line here. Let's take that channel out of the game, and this is our technical analysis area here, and that's going to be the top. So this is where we're looking to sell off the Aussie dollar. Alright, all you got to do is follow it through. Let's take a look at gold. Now gold, I said if it breaks above here, it's got room to go long. It never pulled back, so if you just bought straight away, great. If you waited for the pullback, obviously you would have missed out because it didn't pull back. I like to wait for a pullback. It's my strategy to like wait for a pullback and then go long. But because of the news yesterday, I think the market just took off. So now with the gold though, I think we'll be looking to go short. Now we're going to have to re-evaluate our situation on gold and see how that happens. As you can see, we'll have to make a few adjustments here and draw lines once again. Okay, so there we go, we're in a triangle in gold. Okay, so we'll have to see which way the market goes with that. Okay, so it's the 4 hour chart. After that big move up, now we're kind of stalling, so the market might actually start making a U-turn here. Okay, Brent, let's take a look at Brent. There we go. This is the line I drew yesterday, and I said this has got potential to go up. If it does go up beyond that, it's got room to come up to these levels here. In fact, let's make that a range to be a bit more. There we go. So the market's got room to come up to this level on Brent. On a pullback, it's good to buy, I reckon. This is a rectangle, so all you have to do is just flip it over. So the market should actually come to this level, as you can see. If we take a look at this on a daily chart, okay, that's gonna be the daily. So it still has room, maybe even all the way back up to this 48 range here. Okay, so that's kind of like a descending triangle, as you can see, going down, forming kind of a wedge there. So if that wedge kind of eventuates, then you might see the market kind of goes up again, okay, this way into this area. Now wedge formations are pretty good, because if it's a descending wedge, it has a potential to kind of jump up afterwards. So it's worthwhile watching this situation here if you are a Brent trader. So there you go. And also what you can do is just draw these lines up here like that. Okay, it's got potential to come here. If it breaks out from here, it's got potential to go there. And let's see actually if there's a channel happening here. And yeah, that's pretty much a channel. There you go. Okay, so within that channel, we've got a long way up and then possibly a push down. I hope that helps for today. Take care, and even though our trades worked well yesterday with the breakouts on the dollar Canadian, dollar franc, if you went in there, just follow them through, and hopefully we'll find some new positions today as well. Have a great day trading.